construction vehicles. Excavator. Wait, is he wearing a party hat? A concrete mixer. Is he wrapped in ribbons? A dump truck. Hey, whose gifts are those? A crane. Are they going to a birthday party? A mini excavator. Look at those colorful balloons. A backhoe. I wonder whose birthday it is. A bulldozer. It all makes sense now. They're heading to a birthday bash. A forklift. This is so exciting. A front loader. Let's go to the birthday party with them. It's Emily, the construction worker's birthday. Happy birthday! Don't forget to like and subscribe.